morning, good morning, good morning.
Okay, so paki-explain nga ano yung ginagawa nila sa likod.
Ang ginagawa sa likod, yan yung circuit drill namin. That's a little bit of everything from leg movement to developing social skills to making them have fun in the water, they're singing. It's a warm-up for the actual swimming lessons. Yeah.
So warm-up lang siya, meaning as in ginagawa yan every time you have a class?
Yeah, every time we have a class, we do that. But also, there's a variation every time naman. We don't want them to get bored. But we want them to feel excited and look forward to the swimming lessons.
Mukhang hindi lang yung mga bata nag-enjoy, pati mga magulang. Is it like a must na kailangan magulang ang kasama dyan?
It's a must kasi it's a bonding time for parent and child. That's why we call it My Baby and Me.
My Baby and Me na ngayon ay ginagawa actually ni Love kasama kay anak na si Jove. O yan, siya yung nakaitim at nakapick naman si Jove, no? So circuit time pala itong ginagawa nila. And then after that, what else ba ang pwedeng bonding time? I heard there's such a thing as yung ginagawa, pinapagawa with the kids, yung back float naman?
Yeah, yung back float is a safety skill naman. It's something that we develop with the kids para when they fall in the water accidentally, they know how to float on their backs and be able to breathe continuously and while they're also comfortable in the water. Ganon.
So would you say na back float ang pinaka-importanting malaman ng mga bata just to save themselves just in case na malaglag sila? Yun ang unang-una dapat malaman ng mga bata?
Yes. Back float because yun nga, yung breathing nila tuloy-tuloy and also yung how they also hold their breath underwater. That's also important kasi when they do fall in the water, we don't want them drinking the water kasi or accidentally inhaling it, diba? So we also develop that skill through the games and the songs that they do sa My Baby and Me swimming lessons ng Bert Lozada Swim School.
Pero also, after that naman, meron din kayo mga underwater drill. What is underwater drill?
Underwater drill, that's how they orient themselves underwater. Kasi yung My Baby and Me is actually water familiarization for infants up to 2 years old. And then, syempre, they can't just survive with just sticking their head out of the water, di ba? So, when they do get their heads in the water, they know how to orient themselves. Alam nila how to open their eyes, they can pick up objects, they can actually swim na when they are underwater.
So Baby and Me, mga ilang buwan ang mga bata bago sila maaaring sumali sa Baby and Me class?
6 months old ang minimum age namin. We've had mga 4 months old, 5 months old, pero ideally it's 6 months old. Pero yung swimming lessons doesn't start when you're in the pool. It starts at home. We also teach the parents at yung may mga 2-3 months old na babies, we teach the parents how to properly warm them up during their bath time.
Bath time, fun time. Pero Anthony, yung like si Sam 6 months old, syempre yung ibang mga nanay, ma-absorb ba yan ng mga bata? Kasi 6 months lang sila?
Ma-absorb nila yan kasi parang ang learning process is not naman, in 3 days matututo ka. It's a work in progress. So yung journey nila towards being confident in the water starts at 6 months old. That's when you develop kicking, breathing, making them familiar with the water, yung submersions na nakikita mo yung mga toys namin. All the toys there, the balls, the cups, the baskets, it has a purpose on the kids' journey towards independence in the water.
Would muscle, kumbaga meron ba kinalaman din yung muscle memory specifically sa mga babies?
Muscle memory, motor skills, social skills, everything. Kaya nga we call it a preschool in the water.
Oo nga naman ba, preschool in the water. So maganda talaga, maaga pa lang, maturuan na sila kasi survival.
Maaga pa lang matuto na sila kasi you'll never know yung mga accidents and sometimes pool parties, yung magkamali lang talaga yung mga bata na ma-inhale yung water. It starts something na it prevents them from enjoying the water when matrauma. Dapat water is our friend, di ba? Yun.
Kasi yung anak ko dati, butik na malunod. Actually, nalaglag siya sa tubig. Talaga nagpanik ako. Hindi lang yung mga bata yung kawawa. Siyempre, pati yung mga nanay talaga na-nervous. And now, talagang I force my kids to learn.
They have to learn. Parang yung kids mo, diba? They started at a young age. Ngayon, they're already swimming yung mga varsity na, diba? Ito din, ganun din. At 6 months old, minsan nag-start si kuya, tapos susunod na yung pangalawa, yung pangatlo, pang-apat. It's a family tradition of water safety.
At the same time, bonding talaga. Nakikita yung mga magulang sa likod namin. Tsaka syempre pati yung mga teachers, they have to know na how to teach. Different kasi yung pagtuturo sa mga bata.
Yes, patience and also you have yung child psychology. Kasi you cannot show a face na frightening. Hindi pwedeng masungit, hindi pwedeng threatening. Kailangan wholesome, parang gano'n, para masaya. Kasi it's fun, it's fun. You cannot afford to not to smile.
Kaya ka lahat ng tao rito, pati si Anthony nakasmile. I'm also smiling. Thank you so much, Anthony. At maraming salamat sa Ace Water Spa sa Pasig po.